In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a trailing stop on MetaTrader 5, a powerful tool to help manage your trades effectively. A trailing stop is a fantastic feature in MetaTrader 5 that automatically adjusts your stop loss order in favor of a profitable trade. This means that if the market moves in your favor, your stop loss will follow along, helping to secure your gains. And if the market turns and moves against you by the set trailing distance, the position will be automatically closed, thus minimizing potential losses. Now, let's dive into the process of setting up a trailing stop on the MetaTrader 5 desktop application. First, you'll want to open the toolbox, which is essential for keeping an eye on all your trading activities. You can quickly open the toolbox by pressing Ctrl and T on your keyboard. This shortcut is handy and saves you time as you manage your trades. Once the toolbox is open, direct your attention to the Trade tab. The Trade tab is where all your active positions are displayed, giving you a comprehensive view of your current trading status. Look for the open position that you want to protect with a trailing stop. Once you've identified it, right-click on that position. A menu will pop up, offering a variety of options for managing your trade. Here, you need to hover over the trailing stop option. This is the critical step where you get to specify how you want your stop loss to behave as the market fluctuates. When you hover over trailing stop, you'll be presented with several preset distance options. Common distances might include 15, 20, or 50 points. These distances represent how far away from the current price your stop loss will trail, adjusting as the market moves in your favor. If your platform version supports it, you might also see an option labeled Custom. This gives you the flexibility to set a trailing stop distance tailored to your specific market analysis and risk management strategy. Once you've selected your preferred distance, your trailing stop becomes active for that particular position. This setup means that as long as the market continues to move in your favor, your stop loss will adjust to lock in profits. However, should the market reverse by the designated trailing stop distance, your position will close, protecting your gains from further downturns. And there you have it. Setting a trailing stop in MetaTrader 5 is a straightforward yet incredibly effective way to manage your trades with agility and precision. It allows you to capitalize on market movements while ensuring that you have a safety net in place. By using this feature wisely, you can enhance your trading strategy and protect your gains against unexpected reversals. Spasibo for watching, and see you in the next video.